Hello, hello. Susuot ko sana yung aking sunglass para hindi niya ako makitang umiyak eh. Pero nevertheless, wag na lang. Okay. Sa ating lahat na naririto, salamat sa inyong pagdalo ng kasal ng aking anak, si Roan, saka si kay Patrick. Sa mga principal sponsors na nakarating ngayong hapon na ito, I hope that your presence here is not incidental or coincidental. Ang ibig ko pong sabihin ni ating tignan ang pag-usbong, ang pagmamahalan ni Roan sa ni Patrick. Ating subaybayan. Let's touch their lives. Let's have a difference in their lives. And to the ibang, again, may balae and may kumare. Don't worry about Roan. Aalagaan namin siya. Gaya ng pagmamahal niyo sa kanya. Mula bata hanggang ngayon. Patrick, anak, I'm not the perfect parents that I want to be. I tried my best. But maybe my best is not enough. But at least I see you now, my son. Career-wise, you have your career, strong character. So, the responsibility now lies on your shoulder. Whatever weakness that you have seen sa amin at saka mami mo, dagdagan mo anak. Make it perfect. Make it better. Sa iyo, Roan, welcome to the family, anak. And then I would like to share to the audience, share you something. I love girls. Oh, to the boys, you in your dirty mind, not what you are thinking. I mean, sa ngayon, dadalawa pa lang yung apo kong babae. That's why I love girls. I love baby girls. Maybe the count as of now, with my two married son and one daughter is it 3-2? 2 doon sa panganay. And then, 1 kay John Paul. 4-2. Maybe, Roan, you could give us twins so the count will be even. Okay? But, anak, no matter what, kahit anuman ang dumating sa inyo, tatanggapin natin. It's blessings from God. So, siguro, wala na akong sasabihin, kundi sana magmahalang kayo hanggang kayo'y nabubuhay. Sana, mga anak, kung meron kayong mga problema for the day, sana pag-usapan ninyo na huwag kayong matutulog na hindi nyo masusolve yung problema na yon. Talk and talk. Okay? Talk to each other. And then, salamat nga pala sa ating magandang MC. Okay? And sa lahat po ng naririto, again, good afternoon and thank you for coming.
Very well said, Mr. Benjamin. Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin. Likewise, of course, I'd like to call on the bride's parents, Mr. Rufino Evangelista and Mrs. Marian Evangelista. You might want to welcome as well, of course, the groom, Patrick, in the family.